there. What's that over there? What's that over there? Sure does. Oh, so good. You ready for the cookies? Gingerbread cookies? They're over there.
Happy holidays, everybody! Gorge, I always wanted to build a gingerbread house, and this one's big enough to live in. Talk about going home for the holidays. You bet, Pluto. Time to get the decorating.
Christmas time this year.